Ian. Happy Festival of Music 2026, guys! And happy Love Laban sa mga part ng LGBTQ+. Ayan. Thank you so much sa inyo kasi nakiselebrate kayo sa amin. Kahit maraming stages ang Festival of Music at talaga naman dito sa Brewing Point. Siyempre, palapakan natin musikerong pagod! Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So this next song po is a cover song. Feeling ko alam niyo to, kaya sana sabayan niyo po kami. So what's the point in all of this when you will never change? The days so fast, the weather's changed. Should I be sorry? Could I be sorry? Didn't know only you see your eyes know it's a I'll be it best to let us change? Should I be so free? Will I be so free? Thank you so much, guys! That's our special song of Ever Learned by Typecast. At na-launch na rin po namin yun sa Nonescape Live, kaya panoorin nyo rin po. Again, you can follow us on our social media platforms at VR Music. Ayun po. Dikit-dikit lang po yun, VR Music. And gusto ko lang pasalamatan mo si Kerong Pagod ulit kasi kahit na ayun, medyo nagka-aberya regarding the wow. Ayun, thank you sa inyo kasi naiintindihan nyo at ayun, mas supportado po kami talaga naman si Kerong Pagod. Kaya kapag may production na alam niyo yun, yung may pake at may care sa banda. Kakaiba po talaga yun. Yeah, pero baka naman natin ulit yung si Kerong Pagod. Thank you so much, Brewing Point din. Pasensya na po, medyo lumagpas. Pero pagbigyan nyo na po kami. Last two songs